Hi there. In this tutorial video, we will be discussing how to clone HDD to SSD for free with a professional and efficient cloning tool, EaseUS Partition Master. Have you ever thought about why should we clone HDD to SSD? There are several beneficial reasons, such as SSD has faster read and write speed than HDD, enhanced durability and is less prone to mechanical failures, increased energy efficiency, and noise reduction. Before cloning HDD to SSD, there are some preparations you need to make. First, prepare a Windows computer and a new SSD that its capacity is larger than the used storage space on your HDD. Then, make sure you have the proper screwdriver to unscrew. Second, if you have valuable data on the SSD, cloning process will overwrite these data. You'd better fully back up these files to a safe location, such as an external hard drive. Third, download a professional disk and partition. Cloner, EaseUS Partition Master is your first choice with its reliable disk clone feature, allows you to easily clone all storage devices without data loss, including HDD, SSD, SD, USB, external hard drive, etc. Users can install EaseUS Partition Master free by following the download link in the descriptive information below the video. After making the preparations, follow the full guide to clone partition from HDD to SSD. Stage 1. Install SSD. Shut down your computer and unplug all the cables. Then, use the screwdriver to remove the computer's case. Locate the empty storage bay and connect with SATA cables and power connectors. Close the case and reconnect all cables before boot up your computer. For an M2 NVMe SSD, insert it into the SSD slot and fasten it with screwdrivers. Stage 2. Initialize SSD. Open EaseUS Partition Master and enter the Partition Manager tab. Right-click the new SSD and select Initialize to MBR or Initialize to GPT. Click Execute Task and Apply to save the changes. Phase 2. Clone Partition. Launch the EaseUS Partition Master. Click Disk Clone tab. Select Clone Partition option and click Next to continue. Choose a source partition from Disk 1 and select the new partition on the new SSD. Click Next. Click Yes to confirm the warning message. Then, select the Start to start cloning. Now the cloning process is done. You will have a larger storage capacity and your computer will get an improved performance and enhanced speed. After cloning, you need to make the newly cloned SSD bootable. Restart the computer and press F2, F10 or Delete key to enter BIOS. Then, switch to the Boot tab. Set the new SSD as the boot drive from the Boot Priority section. Beyond cloning HDD to SSD, EaseUS Partition Master can also assist you in many scenarios, and it also provides more advanced features. Download this multifunctional software and get the full performance of your computer and hard drive. Now you can refer to this comprehensive guide above to clone HDD to SSD for free. Okay, that's all for today's video.